Let's explore some ideas for hanging high bays, offering alternatives to Unistrut across bar joists which can become costly. We'll consider suspension systems, structural support methods, and other innovative ideas. First, let's consider suspension systems. One option involves pendant stems. Adjustable stems can be used to suspend high bays from the ceiling, offering flexibility in mounting height and positioning. Another option is chain and hook systems. Utilize chains and hooks to hang high bays from structural members. This method is often used in industrial settings. Then there are cable suspension systems, employing steel cables to suspend high bays from the ceiling, creating a clean and modern aesthetic. Next, let's consider structural support methods. Seismic brackets can be installed on the high bays to prevent swaying or swinging during earthquakes. C-channels can be mounted to the bar joists and used as supports for the high bays. This method is relatively inexpensive and provides a sturdy mounting surface. Cross-arm supports can also be used to attach high bays to the bar joists. This creates a stable and secure mounting system. Finally, let's consider some other innovative ideas. Magnetic mounts can be utilized to attach high bays to ferrous metal surfaces, such as steel beams or metal ceilings. High-strength adhesive pads can also be used to mount high bays on flat, clean surfaces, but this method is suitable for limited-weight fixtures. Custom brackets can also be designed and fabricated to fit the specific dimensions and mounting points of the high bays and bar joists.